1.10 introduces a new single sign-on application. This feature is now directly available in the UI. In previous versions, you would have to configure single sign-on with the help of your DevOps or support team that would configure the backend changes. Now it just requires a few clicks. Start by clicking on Settings, then select SSO. We have a variety of providers available, such as Google, Azure AD, Okta, SAML, Auth0, and more. Let's take a look at Okta for this example and select Configure. We see a variety of available fields, all of which have context help in the right pane. You'll see your secrets, clients, URIs, tenants, and more, which are all configurable and thoroughly documented all right in the UI. We can also enable self-signup. This allows us to tailor the experience for new users to the company's guidelines regarding approvals, whether they get immediate access or need intervention to approve. Come try it for yourself.